How to use Facebook Live to drive leads and sales. You can use Facebook Live to drive leads for your business and generate sales. While this is certainly possible, you need to use the right approach for success. So, we have some great tips for you here so that you can maximize the number of leads that you generate from your Facebook Live events and the number of sales too. 1. Use promotions and discounts during your events. This may seem obvious to you, but it is amazing how many businesses that host Facebook Live events forget to talk about their promotions and discount offers. Live videos are a great way to generate leads and make sales, so you must include these things in your events. You don't want to go crazy with this. Just mention your promotions and discount offers now and again. Maybe you have a free offer that will really benefit your audience. Warm your viewers up about this at the start of your event and then share the details halfway through and again at the end. Discount offers are really powerful, and a lot of people that attend a Facebook Live event from a business will be expecting this. So don't disappoint them and be clear about what the discount is and how viewers can obtain it. 2. Use prompts for lead generation. You need a good sales funnel set up to support your Facebook Live event. Then you need to steer your viewers into your funnel. You want to capture their email address so that they join your list, so offer the download of something valuable for free, for example. Tell your event viewers what you are going to cover in your video. The most effective Facebook Live events share value at the start and then pitch a related offer after this. You want your audience to stick around for the pitch, so make this as exciting as possible for them. Tell them that it will solve a specific problem and it is worth hanging on for. The use of prompts as you lead up to your pitch is usually very effective. You want your viewers to interact with you, so ask them a question like, "If you are excited, then let us know in the comments." Or, "If you want to know more about our products, then please type 'yes, please' in the comments." After the event, you can follow up directly with those that responded to your prompts. You know that they are interested, so the follow-up will be pretty easy. Be sure to follow up as soon after the event as possible when the leads are the hottest. 3. Demonstrate your products or services. Nothing sells a product or service better than a live demonstration. So take the opportunity that Facebook Live offers you to do this. When your audience sees what your product or service can do for them, then they will be a lot more likely to want to know more or make a purchase right away. Plan your demonstration in advance. What features of the product or service do you want to highlight? What will have the biggest impact on the audience? How will your product or service save time and/or money? Only demonstrate one of your products or services live at each event. Don't try to demonstrate your whole range. We recommend that you provide value in your event first by explaining how your audience can overcome a specific problem that they have. Then demonstrate your product or service, showing them how they can solve their problem a lot more easily and save time and possibly money. So, for example, if you sell products or services that help people generate traffic to their website, you can show them some manual ways to drive traffic first and point out how time-consuming these methods are. Then you can introduce and demonstrate your product or service, which automates the methods and saves time. 4. Strong call to action. You need to tell your event viewers what you want them to do. The best way to achieve this is with strong calls to action during your event and afterwards. Never assume that someone watching your event will know instinctively what you want them to do. Spell it out with a persuasive call to action. Add your call to action to the event recording post as well. Make a comment that reminds people about it. It will not take a lot of time to set this up, and it is worth it because you are likely to generate more leads. 5. Ask your viewers to share your event. If your audience is enjoying your live event, then they will be happy to share it with people that they know. A few of them will just do this instinctively, but it is always best to ask them to share your event during your presentation. This can really extend the reach of your Facebook Live marketing campaign. Make your audience part of your marketing team. You could provide an incentive for sharing your event, such as a discount or free download, for example. In the next video, we will share the best practices that you need to follow to get the most out of Facebook Live for your business. Facebook Live best practices. Here are the 8 best practices that we strongly recommend that you follow to create the very best Facebook Live events to promote your business. You can really enhance your brand and drive a lot of leads and sales from Facebook Live events. We believe that if you follow these best practices, you will have the maximum chance of success. 1. Understand what Facebook Live is. It is important that you understand what the Facebook Live platform is and how you can use it to give your brand a boost and increase leads and sales for your business. Facebook users are much more likely to view a live event than they are a pre-recorded video or a standard post containing text and images. You can use Facebook Live on a computer or mobile device. 2. Benefits of Facebook Live. You need to be aware of the benefits of using Facebook Live in your marketing strategy. Facebook is the largest social media platform by a long way and has billions of users. When you use Facebook Live the right way, you can establish a very good connection with your audience. There are some great analytics as well. 3. Get started the right way with Facebook Live. It is essential that you take your Facebook Live events seriously. This starts by making an investment in the right webcam and microphone to produce high-quality events. Make sure that your Wi-Fi signal is strong before you record. You need to plan your Facebook Live events, and it is better to schedule them in advance so you have time to promote them. 4. Use proven ways to create a great Facebook Live event. There are things that you need to do before, during, and after your Facebook Live event to get the best results. Prior to recording your live event, you need to ensure that you use the right lighting. Create a few practice recordings so that you can check everything. During your event, be as human as possible and smile often. Learn to smile when you are speaking so that you come across well. Be sure to ask your audience to interact with you and always learn from any mistakes. Always use strong calls to action in your events. After your event, you need to promote your recording. Add captions to it so that more people will view it. Consider boosting your recording post to extend your reach. Create a custom thumbnail for your recording that entices users to view it. 5. Keep up to date with new features. Facebook is continuously updating their Facebook Live platform to make it better for their users. They are always adding new features, and it is important that you are aware of these. In 2020, they added a useful trimming feature, extended their recording duration, and introduced the Watch Party feature. 6. Use good content ideas. If your Facebook Live event contains good content, then you will get more viewers and higher levels of engagement. You can create how-to events, product launches, interview experts, demonstrate your products and services, and run question and answer sessions. 7. Create engaging Facebook Live events. Engaging Facebook Live events are the most successful. Find out what your audience wants and create events around this. Make sure that your environment is right for your event and schedule it at the best times. Update your audience regularly during your event and persuade them to interact with you. Review your events afterwards to see what you can do better. 8. Drive leads and sales with Facebook Live. Use tactics to drive leads and sales during your Facebook Live events. Tell your audience about any promotions and discount offers. Set up a sales funnel and then use prompts during your event to drive viewers to it. Always include a strong call to action in your events. Ask your audience to share your event. Conclusion. If you have taken this training from start to finish, you will have a good understanding of how you can use Facebook Live for the benefit of your business. It is important that you do not just jump onto the platform without knowing what you are doing. Now, it is over to you. While taking this training will make you a bit smarter, only by taking action will you be able to leverage the Facebook Live platform to enhance your brand and drive more leads and sales. We hope that you found this training to be informative and useful. Get started today with your Facebook Live marketing. We wish you every success promoting your business on the world's largest social platform.